Losing your U.S. passport while traveling abroad can be a stressful experience, but don't panic. With the right steps, you can quickly get a replacement and continue your journey. This guide will walk you through exactly what to do if you find yourself in this situation. Steps to take if you lose your U.S. passport overseas. 1. Stay calm and secure your belongings. Losing a passport can be overwhelming, but remain calm. Ensure that your other valuables, credit cards, IDs, and travel documents are safe. 2. Search thoroughly. Retrace your steps and check common places where you might have left it: hotel, restaurant, taxi, etc. Ask local authorities or businesses if it has been turned in. 3. Report the loss immediately. File a police report. Some embassies require this to issue a new passport. This report can also help if your passport was stolen. 4. Contact the nearest U.S. embassy or consulate. Locate the nearest U.S. embassy or consulate online. Woo! U.S. Embassy. Gov. Call or visit in person to explain the situation. 5. Gather required documents. Fill out Form DS-11. Application for a U.S. passport. Fill out Form DS-64. Statement regarding a lost or stolen passport. Provide proof of U.S. citizenship, copy of passport, birth certificate, or other ID. Provide a passport-sized photo, available at local photo studios. Bring proof of travel plans, flight itinerary, hotel booking. 6. Pay the replacement fees. The cost of an emergency passport varies, but is usually around $145–$195. Some embassies may accept credit cards, others may require cash. 7. Get an emergency passport. The U.S. Embassy may issue a temporary emergency passport for immediate travel. If you have more time, you can request a regular passport replacement. 8. Secure your new passport and update travel plans. Once issued, check all the details for accuracy. If you had to cancel flights, contact your airline for rebooking. 9. Prevent future issues. Keep digital and physical copies of your passport. Use a travel belt or money pouch to secure important documents. Register with the Smart Traveler Enrollment Program, STEP, for emergency support. https://step.state.gov. Losing your passport doesn't have to ruin your trip. Follow these steps, and you'll be back on track in no time. Have you ever lost your passport while traveling? Share your experience in the comments below. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more essential travel tips. Click the notification bell and select to never miss an update.